giving incentives. It can be monetization. It could also be other types of rewards through, wellness packages, different perks that can be given, but you don't do it individually. You do it for a team, and you can also have teams recognize other teams. One of the best parts of one of my clients' town halls is they do individual recognition, but they always do cross functional, and they always vote as a team for another team, and they rotate around through all the departments so everybody gets shared the love, and they have to bring a specific example. This team did this for us. This team supported us by coming to us and they did X. This is an example of what we mean by our team commitments around collaboration. So don't think as much around the typical, the money pieces, the bonuses, although there definitely can be elements of that as long as it's team. We win together, we stay together. There is no I in team. So the more that you want to have the collaboration, you have to move out of, I would never completely move away from individual recognition, but you've got to have more of the team deliberate recognition, and it needs to be recognized from team to team. Those are some of the best practices I've seen really help and come into play.